guys, today we will be doing a coat. Okay, so this is my first building video because I've been doing like a lot of let's plays. I'm not even finished yet. So I will be doing the one next to Pizzazz, and the theme we'll be going for is like a nice, like maybe like a yoga or like a calm one. So I feel like I want it to be like I want them to, they're going to be a very clean person. So I'm gonna see, I need your personal opinion, guys. Would you like, because I will be doing more of these if you want, do you want me to talk, or do you want me just to maybe just have some music over it? Please let me know. And I'm gonna try and do this as a speed build, like quickly. So I'm thinking this could be maybe just for a single sim. Yeah, maybe just a single sim. So yeah, something like this. So they have a single bed. I didn't know what they like plants, maybe not. It's like a white A. Okay, we're gonna try and make this a quick. Well, I'm gonna see how long, because I've never really done like a speed build, but I see like so many people who can do it. And I'm gonna try it and let's see if we can do it. I wanna see if we can do it or not. And let's hope, I wanna hope that we can. I do want like a nice little green. Okay, obviously like I said, it's going to be a speed build, so let's try and get this done as quick as possible. Here's the bathroom, guys. One season it's going to be like a really expensive place, but it's going to be so, because Pizzazz, I love her. As I might have said, I think, already. She's a very popular sim in this Sims 4. A lot of you, I don't know, well, once I get to 100 subscribers I might be able to do live, well I think you can go live, and so let's try and do that, because I do want to go live really bad. I'm wondering if you guys do too, but if so, then subscribe. Okay, so we are doing this as quick as possible. So as quick as possible, basically. We have that there. Add sink there. Add that there. So as I said before, I am trying to do like a speed build. So that's why I'm going really quickly. I literally am obsessed with looks very cute. A dinner table. A few little dining chairs. I feel like a family would live here, but it's really up to you how you wanna kind of do it. I'd personally say go for a family, because I feel like it'll just be like, and it would look nice and modern. Really nice. Move the clock just a little. Carpet. Okay, now I need just a dryer and we shall be done. And we are done, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.